Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrying Bus Sydney. I've got this Porsche 997 engine I've been working on. As you can see, everything is cleaned up. I have to spend time to clean all the rust and all that stuff off. The silicone was on top, the black silicone was there. I'm going to flush this engine. So you can see there, it's all green. So I'm going to flush this engine after I finish before I put it in the car. And I'm going to flush the old coolant of the old engine, which is the black one there. Flush that first before I put the engine in, so all the green coolant comes out, so I can put the red coolant in the car. All right, the correct color of this car here. So if you look in this, is the actually oil cooler. Here's the new part number there. It's made in Slovakia. And then this one here is the bigger O-ring. The bigger O-ring, there's the part number for the bigger O-ring, which is that one there. And then the smaller O-ring part number is this one here. That's a smaller O-ring part number. Let me put it straight, that's better. Alright. And that's the part number for the actual oil cooler again, just in case you want to know. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe. I'm going to put everything back together and then I'll do another video as well.